Yeah, I agree. I mean, what would you say is the biggest difficulty when someone's starting out in cold calling, and how can they overcome that?
But I would say the biggest thing is the mindset, just picking up that phone and calling. The second thing is understanding that it is a numbers game. Okay, that you have to just put in the work, and the only way that you're going to get better is by experience, right? That's how everybody gets better, right? Michael Jordan, was shooting free throws in the beginning, probably like Shaq, just straight bricks, right? But after repeated, experience, he obviously learned how to do it. So I would say honestly, the mindset of just understanding that you have to do this to learn how to get better on your people skills, understanding the framework of a call, right? In the beginning, I used to talk too much. In the beginning, I used to just try to build so much rapport, and I never actually asked the questions I need to ask, right? How soon do you want to sell? What's the situation, like all these things, and as you talk to people and you learn, you actually get really good at it.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a skill. It takes a while. And that's an interesting thing I wanted you on, because you started wholesaling more or less the same time I did.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.